Hi, my name is Raphael, and we're watching FoolyFun. At the park yesterday, on October 31st or October, any day we were trick-or-treating, we had a lot of experience of Halloween. So we went trick-or-treating a lot. And it's our first Halloween in America, the real Halloween. And a lot of Halloween experience is going to be put back, and then we had to do some all over again. Just like when Abigail spilled some water on my cat, I had to redo that. So I'm going to show you all of my Halloween costumes. Hey, we used to live in Israel, and we didn't get the chance to do it because Israel, they don't celebrate Halloween. Maybe it's too scary for Israel. But America, they celebrate for not 30, not 29, 31 days. Because it's not too scary for America. And Israelis don't just trick-or-treat with their dad. We had to trick-or-treat with Daddy. He had to give us candy when it was already our candy. Yes, even gummy bears and gummy worms. So, do you have trick-or-treat where you live? Okay, so my first outfit is Transformers Bumblebee. I'm Bumblebee, I'm ready! I'm Bumblebee, I'm ready! I'm Bumblebee, I'm ready! Bumblebee is a transformer, and he can do stuff like flying, and he can fight too. He's yellow and black and gray. Okay, my next outfit is Spider-Man, and I wore that to school for $1. One, not five. It was for charity. They let us dress up, including Dalton. It was actually his birthday when that happened. His birthday. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. I'm ready to trick-or-treat. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. I'm a climber. I'm swinging on the city. I'm out of spider fluid web. Spider-Man is black, red, and blue. Is there a color missing?
Nope.
Everybody knows that the next one is Batman, and he has no superpowers. Except he sometimes defeats Joker. With no... He actually has a bat bike, a bat car, and a bat jet. I'm Batman. I don't have any special superpowers except for my super car, my bat bike, and there is a super jet. You know, a bat jet, where you can fly. Hi. I can't fly and I don't have any special superpowers. Batman.
What's your song?
I don't remember. Na 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 na. Batman. Na 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 na. Batman. Bill. That's my sister. She's going trick-or-treating with me too. Do you know which one is the next one? They move very quietly and are not allowed to be seen. They're very silent and they can't be seen. The next one is my favorite. Do you know what my favorite thing in the whole world is? It's my favorite thing in the universe. What do you think it is? My name's Raphael and I'm a cool cat. What I do is walk on 4 legs, but sometimes 2 legs. And this is just a pretend helmet. This is just a mask, not a helmet. We're gonna go outside soon, and I'm gonna walk on 4 legs, and you'll see what I'll look like. My name's Raphael, and I'm a cool cat. Hey, I have a question for you. If you have some costumes and it's on Halloween, what do you want to wear? Is it SpiderMan? Is it a ninja, what we were talking about silent? Or a pirate, the second thing we were talking about silent? Or Bumblebee? Which one? And includes Batman. Do you have a favorite Halloween memory? My favorite Halloween was costumes. SpiderMan was actually my favorite, and I only got to wear the cat because you picked it, Mommy. My favorite memory of Halloween is trick-or-treating and costumes. Make sure you subscribed, click the bell button right under our video while you're watching it, and don't forget, tell us what your costume was. And where did you go to? We went to 4 or 3 different places. One of them's a school, a different school, which is my school. And don't forget, it's a place where we get to eat. What's it called?
Hot dogs.
We do
Cotton candy.
Yeah, cotton candy. We get to eat cotton candy there. That's our 3rd place. Hey guys, do you want to see my candy? This is mine and my sister's. We got a whole bucket load of it. And really, I want to eat a watermelon one.
What's your favorite candy?
Kit Kat.
Yummy.
Yeah, it actually ends with cat. Kit Kat. That's why it's my favorite.
Hope you had a fun Halloween.
You too. I found a Kit Kat. Can I eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Bye. And I hope you just enjoy some Kit Kat at home. Only if you're in America. Israel is actually 7 hours ahead of us. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.